Does a cocktail with a shot and a half of bitters in it sound a little bit crazy to you? Well, we better give it a try and see if it works. So first things first, we need to get a full 45 mils out of these. If you use like a little tiny knife like the one that you get on a wine knife, there is a hole in there and you should just be able to pop it off. So we'll go 45 mils of Angostura. And then just 15 mils, as I said, usually rye, but a nice strong flavored bourbon will definitely work as well. Then we're gonna go 20 mils of our orgeat. So for anyone that doesn't know, it's just a little almond syrup. And 20 mils of lemon juice. Then we're just gonna pop some ice in our tin and give it a nice hard shake. Now I do have to say the only problem with this drink is it's not the prettiest color. It sort of comes out quite reddish brown because of the bitters. So if you do have a nice little decorative glass, then feel free to use that because it also doesn't have a garnish. Trinidad Sour. So now you know. A little bit scared of this, to be honest. No, it is good. It will certainly put some hairs on your chest and I'm okay with it. So there you have it. Weird on paper, but it works.